So hello guys, welcome back to AG Technical. Today I am going to talk about the top 10 browsers in the world. And guys, there are many browsers and the Google Chrome is the most common, and Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox and others also. So guys, let's start the video and see which are the top 5 browsers in the world according to me. So guys, in this row here I have all the browsers arranged. So first of all, starting from number 5, we have a browser Opera, which is not available on iOS. It is only available on Android and Windows. You can see here. So this is a different thing, and no Opera browser is directly available. Only it is available on Android. So over here I can show you some glimpse of the browser. It shows it is fast and powerful, all that, but it is not that much secure, and it is not also that much fast. You will understand why I am saying this in the video when we will proceed. Now let's get to our fourth number. So coming on fourth spot, we have the Microsoft Edge. It is universal browser and available on all platforms. It is also very fast, not that much secure, but it is very fast, and it has also access to common websites over here, so it is really easy in that case. So you can prefer this browser, and you can use it one device. It is not required to link to 2 devices and then use. So that is why it comes on number 4th spot. So coming up next on the 3rd spot is Apple Safari. It is not available on all the devices, but it is available on Apple devices, and it is super secure, super fast. The only reason it is on number 3rd spot is because it is only available on Apple devices. It is just as fast as nothing, and it is also very secure. So that is why it is on number 3. Now let's proceed to our number 2. So coming on number 2 spot is the most popular browser, and it comes pre-installed on all the devices. It's the Google Chrome. Yeah, and it is not fast that much and not that much secure, but it is available on all devices, and mostly it is pre-installed. You don't have to install it, so that gives us very much plus points. Also not that much slow, but you can see, and I cannot say anything about its security. So that is why it is on number 2. Now let's proceed to our number 1 browser, and I know you all are waiting for it for so long, so let's get into it. So the number 1 browser in the world, which is according to me the best and most secure, most fast, is the Firefox. It is so secure that you have to link it to 2 devices and then only you can use, and it is extremely fast also. And the best thing of it is when I click here, it goes on private plus mode, and it is really good for doing all the payments, transaction, and the things which are highly confidential. So for that reason it is on this spot. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and hope you liked it. Please subscribe to channel AG Technical, and we'll meet you in the next.